Redlock's killing it.
So we're here currently with Jordan. We got Ruby 5.0. I'm obviously driving Karma C7. We got Ben over here in the AMG. Just got them all washed up, as you guys saw. They needed it. It was absolutely disgusting. What up, Ben? What's up? As you can see, I'm wearing this pimp summer shirt. That's how you know it's hot outside. Long story short, which it's really not a long story. He had something to do with this a little bit, but we went to Dick's. I went to buy a football because mine broke, popped. And I walked out with new shorts and a $70 weird white flower printed shirt. Don't ask how I got here, I'm just here living, okay? I don't know. But man, these cars are looking so good cleaned up. It was much needed. And this red, it's the first time I've washed the car, and man, it's so easy to wash. I don't know what it is, but it looks so good. Got the Ruby.
What do you always say, Derek, when a car is clean?
It's wet.
Somebody threw away my drink.
What?
Someone threw away your drink?
Oh my god. Either that or they drank it.
No, they threw it away.
Damn.
But yeah, what do you always say, Derek?
I don't know what.
When a car's clean, it feels like it runs better.
Oh, 100%. 100%. It's the first time I've seen the C63 AMG all shined up. We're blowing this popsicle stand. Oh my lord. And man, guys, Virginia heat right now. I think it's like 90 something right now. It's insane. Hey, for real, Ben, was this a bad idea?
That?
Yeah.
I think it's about as bad an idea of hitting the lottery. So, you know, take that how you will. I think it struck gold.
You think so?
I
kind of like it. Kind of upset about it, actually. They made me buy it. They're like, oh, dude, we can see you rocking that Mustang Week 2021. I was like, as soon as he said that, I was like, he's so right. He's so right, but.
As, yeah, he spent $70 on that thing. I think worth every penny, but, you know.
That is the most expensive.
We spent almost a total of, what, like $1,000 at Dick's?
Dude, too much.
Today.
I'm stoked, though. We got shorts. I got this stupid shirt.
Spike Ball.
Spike Ball, Can Jam, Mustang Week 2021. Subscribers about to take the L, baby. Look at all these cleaned up cars, fam. I think Ben's gonna go and snag a couple photos of all the cars together, since this is technically our first time of that happening. Look at these two though. Looking so good. Drop a comment down below, out of these three, which one are you gonna take? Karma C7, C63 AMG, or Ruby 5.0? Drop a comment down below. Jordan is currently on the way over, and I have a little gift slash surprise for him. I recently installed one of these on the Mustang about a week or two ago, and you know, shout out to the company, Dynavin. We did some finagling, and thankfully I was able to finesse another one. I know Jordan's car definitely needs it. It's a hell of an upgrade. I haven't been able to really use mine, but that's gonna change this week because my headlights and taillights come in today. If you're watching, they come on Monday, so I'm very excited about that. We're gonna get those installed and then Lucifer's back on the road. But first things first, let's go ahead and let's open it. Can we open this? Is that wrong?
I mean,
we should have him open it, right?
Well,
it's like a box of coffee K-cups or something from Amazon. Go back to the garage real quick before we get busted. And he should
busted? What do you mean busted?
He should be here any minute.
Oh, Jordan. I was like, who's gonna come up and just like start jumping us?
Dude, it is hot here. This is OD, like you don't understand. California, it was like 70s. I'm not even kidding.
Yo, I can't tell. Did you go to Cali or something? Did you post about it or something?
Let's go, dude. Let's go fucking surf, dude. It's hot. My neighbors are filming. I'm sorry. Where am I going?
Freeze! Freeze! Give me your money.
Is it a water gun?
What the fuck do you think it is? It's a gun! Ah!
Dude, you gotta do it first. You gotta do it for the vlog.
What?
He knows what. They haven't seen that in a while.
It has been a minute, hasn't it? I don't know if this car will do it. It might. We'll
100%.
see. You think?
What?
Let's try it. Let's film. Dude, I swear it's like a cartoon sound. Well, we just had Jordan and Shelby pull up, Ruby 5.0. And we also have Shelby's car. I don't know if this has ever been on the channel, but it's obviously, I think this is like blaze orange. Is that what they call it? But you heard it. It is Paxton charged, so it sounds insane. And yeah, I'm a little bit jealous about the sounds, but I think this is a 2011. Unlock your car real quick. Jordan's interior. He has no touchscreen because he's a fucking peasant. I gotta ask, whose car's faster?
I don't know.
I see what you did there. You haven't been on video in a minute, so you came over here with a VMP shirt. You know, she's boosted. I'm putting two and two together.
I mean, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Hit me up.
I mean, if VMP wants us to come out with old Ruby, I'm down. I'm down. All right, Mr. Jordan. Dynavin, round 2. Go ahead and crack it open. It's exciting because this unit is honestly a unit.
Dang.
There she is. Good old Dynavin. All right, you pick it. Why am I picking it up? It's your job.
Look at that. Look at that bad boy.
All right, so tell us a little bit about it.
It's a touchscreen. Sounds good. Looks good. Replaces your stock stupidness, and you can actually have either the option for heated seats or not.
Shout out to you, Dynavin, for sending out another unit. And if you guys are interested in getting this unit, there's gonna be a link in the description. You can actually use the promo code, go read all that. We did pretty good on the first video. A lot of you guys I saw pick some up, which is awesome. And you're not gonna regret it.
Go buy another one.
Yeah, go buy another one. Just buy, even if you already have one, just buy one, put it in the trunk.
It's a backup one in case your other one breaks.
Yeah,
because you punched it, because you got mad or something.
Yeah.
So then you need two.
Sorry, there's a bug.
Hey Ben.
Yo.
You're trying to get me kicked out?
What are you talking about? I didn't do anything.
All right, well, the eviction notice is definitely coming.
You can't say shit, dude. Your
What?
car's way louder.
No, it's not.
Not way louder, but it's louder. Especially
I don't redline
especially
it.
starting it up in here in the morning. Cold starts.
Are we in trouble on that one, maintenance guy, or what?
You're good.
We're good? Okay.
You had one complaint and she's moving out.
First things we have to do is take off the shift knob. Obviously, if you saw my install video, it's relatively the same, so we're not gonna go into great detail on the install. We will show the most important parts though. The cool thing about it is though, is like, cause it's a more strong of a head unit, it amplifies your speakers and it makes them thump, which is a good thing, but potentially a bad thing because you don't want it to be like Tyler to where you're blowing your speakers out.
I've blown at least 3 in the mach.
21.
So you're gonna take your 7mm and just kind of give her a good old little tug. And don't break the clips when you take these off because you're actually gonna transfer them to the new unit. He's taking off this little bracket thing. You have to go and pull, I think, what is 8 bolts that holds all this BS in here.
They don't want your nasty sweat.
Wait, why do you have a beer? Why do you have a 9 to grind hat with a tag on it?
Dude, he's moving in. We're all moving in. Let me go get a hat.
All right, time to reassemble. So now all these harnesses have designated plugins. So yep, just start feeding all that in. So we have everything connected. We're gonna just do a quick little test just to be sure. All right, Dynavin is showing. That's a good sign.
Living my best life, so you can't never get attached. Went to the
Pretty easy, huh?
That wasn't bad.
It's super simple. So honestly, guys, if you are installing one of these, first off, I highly recommend getting one. They are wonderful. How did that sound though? Compared to the other one.
Yeah, no, it definitely sounds better.
It definitely juices it up. I'm trying to show this as best as possible, but this is the back of the unit. You're gonna need one cord that is your AM, FM. That's gonna be your radio. All this middle stuff, you can ignore the middle things. There's gonna be a little mic if you wanna run a mic. He has his right there. But as far as this back right area, there's gonna be one main connecting harness, and that's where all this factory connections plug into the harness itself. But really, the only thing that you have to know is that with the main harness, there's 2 plugs. The plugs with the purple wires go on top. They don't specify that. And then up here is just gonna be your Apple Play. This media one you don't need, but the Apple Link, this is the Apple Link box right here that plugs in underneath the dash. Other than that, that's all you need, seriously.
First things first, obviously huge shout out to Dynavin, as you can see right there, for sending out this unit. I think you can pick one up like this for about 800, if I'm thinking
sounds
correctly.
about right.
Something around there. But it definitely like changes the whole look of the vehicle. The Apple CarPlay is actually insane. It definitely makes it sound so much better. You have all your controls for your AC, heat, all that good stuff. You have the heated seat option. You can hook up your rear camera to it. I'm gonna do that a little bit later because mine shows up right here. But yeah, as you can see, you could hook it up right there if you want to. So honestly, huge shout out to them. Go buy it. Check the link out in the description to get you one. Like I said, they're about 800 bucks. Honestly changes the whole look. I'll plug up the CarPlay real quick so you can see it.
And with the link in the description, guys, when you use that, also use the promo code that's listed. It'll save you some money.
Just like that. You pop it on, CarPlay. I don't think you can get much better than that. You can see the difference. You've got all these huge bulky knobs here, little tiny screen. Now you've got a giant screen, 2 little knobs. It's all you need. You know, you've got all the different buttons here to change anything you want to. Right here, also you can change on the screen. So like, if you feel like messing around with the touchscreen, you can play around with it.
Well, there you have it, fam. Dynavin once again came through for Jordan's Ruby 5.0. What do you think?
Hype.
Yeah, it's exciting, isn't it? It's a bad boy right there. Make sure you guys go check him out. Thank you all so much for watching, fam. If you're watching this, like I said earlier in this video, I do have my headlights, taillights. Lucifer's coming back this week. You don't want to miss it. So I'm so sorry for, you know, just the lack of content. I was literally stuck with a Corvette for the past month or so.
No, man.
I'm gonna gap him in it.
Today's DVP vlog shout out is going to Newedge Chaba. Check him out on Instagram. Go give him a follow, give him some likes, and say what's up to the fam.
For those of you that want a chance to win a shout out on the vlogs, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions, and whenever you post a photo, use the hashtag DVP Squad in all your posts. We'll catch you guys tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern time. Send you a reminder. Join the Discord. Link in the description. Yeah, but until next time, see you later.